Hi everyone, how are you? I'm looking forward to the holidays, as I'm sure you are. Today I thought we would draw something that everybody loves. I think everybody loves a panda. So here's our cute little panda, and what I'd like to do is give our panda a holiday hat like I'm wearing here. So let's get started. The first thing that I'd like you to do is get your paper for materials and a pencil, a sharpener, and an eraser. That's all you need to start, and then after that you can get something to color with. What I'll use to color with will be either crayons or color pencils, and most likely I will only use the colors black, green, and gray. Okay? I know it doesn't sound like a lot of colors, but you'll see why. I might use 2 colors of green as well. All right. So the way to start, I may use my marker, and you can as well, but I'll be doing that so you can see what I'm doing better. Okay? All right. So the way we start with our panda is to get his head in. And you know, pandas, when I look at pandas, let's look at him a second. It's not a circle. It's not a rectangle. Really, when I look at it, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see kind of a pentagon, 5 sides. He's also looking with his head tilted. So if I was to draw the center of this line, it's not up and down, it's tilted. So I'm going to start by giving his head a bit of a tilt by just drawing a line that is tilted. I'm going to start by giving his forehead a little bit of a curve. I'm going to go out from here and here. Now you could even move your paper if that helps you to get this shape right. But watch what I do before you start. Just watch a minute. I am giving my panda sort of an pentagon shaped head. Now what you can do is just curve those points a little bit so they're not so pointy. Same thing with the chin. Round everything off. Use your eraser. Okay. Now, I know how hard this is for you to see, so I am going to use my Sharpie so you can see it a little better. Okay. Actually, I think what I'll do so I can erase later is I will just go darker with my pencil. Okay, he's got cute little ears. Don't make your panda ears too big. Okay, something like that. Maybe I'll make this ear even come out a little bit more. I'm making it nice and dark so you can see it. Okay, so for me, that's the shape of my panda head. Now, if I look at where his eyes are, they're about right here, so I'm going to put 2 circles. Okay. His nose is about right here, and his nose is almost a heart shape. It kind of goes like this and like this. Okay. Okay. Thank goodness I have this eraser. I made it a little too big at first, okay? All right. Now, his nose also Oh, let's get his mouth in next first. So we're going to put this here, give him a little line there. And then notice that right under the eyes, his nose comes out like this, and comes right down to the chin. Now when you look at this could be almost any kind of bear, right? It could be a black bear, it could be a polar bear. But what's going to make it look distinctively, well, I will tell you though, their noses are different, the heart shape, but what makes it distinctively a panda bear is going to be the dark coloration patches under the eyes, and it kind of follows the nose, okay? I'm going to give it another kind of ring around the eye. Okay. A nice smile. Very cute. Now, clean it up a little bit with my eraser. I think I can get rid of all my planning lines that I had in the beginning. Okay, he's got a tilted head. Now the next thing I want to give him is a cute little hand that actually was right here. Let's do an oval. And down from there was his paw. And right out from the bottom of the neck is, the back of the head is his neck, and it goes down like that. Make this maybe more of an oval than that. Okay, now we're getting a paw. So cute. Okay. Make this just a little bit bigger here, not too much, because I feel like I would see it a little bigger. Okay, I'm cleaning it up a little bit here on the eyes. Put a little highlight in there too. Okay. Now I want to give him a cute hat. So that ear is actually going to go away because I'm going to do this. And maybe make the hat there and there. Don't have a ton of room up here, so how am I going to deal with that? Let's see. Ta-da! Kind of works. I can always make this part up here a little less big. There we go. How cute is that? And there's my panda bear with a hat. So let me get that hat in a little bit better. Okay, Trying to get his eyes in better so you can see everything. Now, if I wanted to, I could also give him some bamboo to eat. Oh, can't forget this. What am I doing? Put that there. This cute little ear. And now I can clean it all up with my eraser. And he is so cute. All right, really quick, because I know this is getting a bit long, let's find a black colored pencil or crayon. I'm hoping I have black, because black is always the first to disappear. So I'm going to get in here now. I'm going to color this black. Color his nose black. Okay, everything below the head is black and the ears are black. Except for, guess what, we can only see one ear at this point. Now if you want to actually get some pink in there where the ear is, you can. I'm just coloring as quickly as I can. See, I can always get stronger with my crayon and just sort of emphasize those areas. Get in here with my green. Yes, bamboo is green sometimes, and then when it dries out, it gets a little brown. Okay, And then the last step is going to be my red hat, which, I'll add something here. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know where my red is, but to give you an idea, I'll do this, and I'll bring in some of my, see, I mix colors when I need to. I had sort of a pink and an orange, and when I put it together, it's more of a red. And because I don't know where any, let's see if I have gray. I do, I have gray. So what I'm going to do next is put a little gray in the ear. Maybe some gray around here. Put some gray around here. Darn, is he cute. I mean, obviously you can color all this in much better. I'm just going as fast as I can for you. You can also always go in darker to get full effect here of emphasizing the different shapes. And yeah. There's your cute, cute, cute panda bear. And I'll see you later because I think we're done right now. You can always do something in the background if you like, but that was a really fun exercise. I hope you all enjoyed it. And we'll see you next time. Bye.